Highlights in the lab has always been about emulating the research experience. By providing students with opportunities to learn about research strategies and experience experiments that they may not have access to in the science classroom, they are able to gain first-hand experience of what it's like to be a research scientist. The transition to online has allowed us to welcome students who may not be able to attend the camp due to geographical restrictions. With the Firefly Foundation's generous support, we were able to welcome 10 scholarship students. These students come from different parts of the GTA, and we're happy to be able to provide these budding scientists an opportunity to learn during the summer.
Since it is online, it's a little different than going and seeing people in person or experiencing the things in person. Right now, we are able to talk to one another. We're still able to communicate pretty well, and we can still see and experience the things, even though it's not hands-on experiences.
Just being able to talk to students, even though you might not be in the same space as them, is something that I really value, because their shared input and my input together can help us make breakthroughs that we wouldn't have ordinarily seen by ourselves.
We would have the main chat with everyone and the presentation and lectures, but then there's times when we would go interact with other campers or people in the program as well.
We don't know a lot about the brain in school, and we aren't really taught about it a lot. So just bright lights makes the brain beautiful in a way.
Looking at the 3D model of the brain and knowing how each of the different parts work together has allowed me to better understand, and also the fact that we don't know exactly how many neurons are in the brain, and we probably won't ever know, has been pretty interesting. And also I like the fact that we get to do our own research about different diseases in the brain. That's been pretty cool.
Really distinct from anything else that I've ever done, because they still provide a level of depth that's different from a lot of camps that tell you they're science camps. They invite speakers, they do presentations that you wouldn't get to do within a high school setting, and it still provides a more than reasonable insight into just neuroscience as a whole, and especially for high schoolers.
I learned about the different parts of the brain and how it functions. I learned about what connects the two separate main lobes.
It's pretty fun. I've enjoyed working with the virtual rap. That was pretty interesting. So yeah, and I would definitely do this again.
It's just a really good program, and having the speaker also come to tell us about it also gave me a way to know more things about him, which was really fun. In so many different ways, it really expanded the horizons for me of what scientists do.
I would recommend this camp to my friends, absolutely. And even with online, it's been fun and not boring.
It is truly amazing to see the amount of creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration skills that have gone into these projects and presentations. I can't wait to see what these young scientists bring in the future.